Hi everybody, this is Larry up in Brenner, Minnesota. Just wanted to give you a little update on self-watering rain gutter growth system. I just got some new pictures posted on our Facebook page, and I'll put a link underneath the video here. You can go there and see a lot of great setups by people. Incredible. But this I just received today from John O'Donnell. He is from Douglassville, Pennsylvania. So take a look at the pictures, click on the link below. You can see a lot more on our Facebook page. Thanks.